Hi, today let's see a very interesting video about shutter drag portrait photography ideas. I'm Suresh, photographer from Suprabha Photography. In this episode about shutter drag portrait, let's see what are the camera settings, lightings and poses. I've kept the shutter open for 2 seconds, aperture value 9 and ISO at 100. Changed the drive mode to self timer for 10 seconds. In flash setting, instead of fill flash, we have to keep in rear sync.
It's always safe to use RAW plus JPEG format. I kept my focus area selection to flexible spot large. I prefer my creative style, which is picture style as standard, and my metering mode as multi. White balance can be of your choice as we are shooting in RAW and can be corrected in post.
I used one SK400 flashlight with beauty dish and blue gel for freezing the subject. One continuous light with Barndoor and red gel. When the first shutter opens and settle when the second shutter closes. You can keep doing different expressions like this. And like this. I'm sure today's video is useful. Please like the video and subscribe my channel for more such interesting and useful videos. In this creative lighting portrait series, I've already posted 4 videos. Link given here. Kindly do watch if you are interested. I'm signing off today. See you in the next video.